Good morning, dear parents. Hope you're all fine with your family and kids. Last year, as a school management, we have tried our level best in giving you the online classes. Not to have the learning gap further, this year we're coming with a lot of new reforms in online classes. So, on behalf of St. Peter's and St. Anthony's management, I would like to bring to your notice the kind of education we are going to give for this year 21-22. We are proudly We are proud to inform you that St. Anthony's and St. Peter's group of institutions is proudly managed by our academic partner, Lead School. So, as a parent, you must be wondering, how are we going to encounter? First and foremost, we would like to thank the government of Telangana for initiating the online classes in the month of June. Of course, last year we started in the month of September, and we do had some challenges to cope up and adjust the new kind of teaching that is through online. But this year, we are going to have the classes from the month of June at the early, with a lot of refinements in education so that parents are not worried about their children. Now, what we are the only school in Sangareddy town to have a complete integrated learning system. We are the only schools in Sangareddy to have complete integrated learning system. When we talk about complete integrated learning system, what are we going to have? As a school management, we are ready to give you assurance that the only school which can give you the best results in quick time with good deliverance of content. And similarly, we are teaching English as a skill but not as a subject. We cover phonics, we cover whole words, we cover reading comprehension, we have covered creative writing. All aspects for the overall development of language is covered in ELGA, so that his mathematics for the other subjects like EVS will become very easy. So we treat English as a skill but not as a mere subject. Similarly, this year, according to the National Education Policy 2020, St. Anthony's and St. Peter's group of institutions have come forward to give coding, a programming language where every talent of the child will be, the hidden talent of the child will be extracted. Either they can go for programming or software engineers, for gaming, or introducing or inventing some different apps. All this becomes easy with this coding program, which we are going to implement from grade 2 to grade 10. Similarly, now, as a parent, what are the challenges in child education? The first and foremost thing, most of the parents feel that learning gap, there would be a learning gap because we are teaching through online mode. You might be expecting that there might be a learning gap. Similarly, now how different is there between the good and the bad online education? Actually, what is online education? Simply facing the camera and teaching will not fetch the result. So how are we going to encounter that as group of schools? Similarly, you might be worried about the screen time, like how much time my child has to look at the mobile screen or tab screen or laptop screen. So this is one of the challenges what you will be facing as a parent. For that, we have remedies, and mostly the emotional skills of the students. You might be thinking that the child is at the home, isolated, lonely. He might be missing his peer group or his friends or family like that. So in order to encounter all these things, we have come with a good online classes which is going to cover the 9 important aspects, just not the live session, but what are we going to include in this? Now, as a part of a school, we are going to have weekly timetable. A weekly timetable will be sent to the parent, to the app, or to the WhatsApp group, and that particular timetable is well designed. Every lesson has a proper designed lesson plans, and they will be reviewed and checked by the academic team so that our execution becomes very easy and your child gets the best of it. And multimodal, either we can teach through visual aids, through kinesthetic, giving them a handful of experiences and having n number of activities. Similarly, we are going to give you homeworks and worksheets where as a parent you can take initiative and see to that your child is going to complete the homework. Practice sheets and homework sheets will be given after the end of every class. Similarly, there will be a doubt solving session. During the online class, if the child has encountered any doubt, After the end of the session, he can interact with the concerned class teacher or the subject teacher, and his doubts will be clarified by using the school lead parent app. And not only that, assessments. We are going to have offline as well as online assessments in the form of quizzes, in the form of online Google form examinations will be conducted, and sometimes even through physical to check out how far the student has learned. And not only that, after the assessment is done, we are going to identify where the child is lagging, and proper remedial planning with video lessons with activities are already designed so that your child will not have any problem in understanding any concept. And finally, apart from academics, we are trying to concentrate on co-curricular activities like dance competition, singing competition, maths competition, and drawing competition, painting competition, elocution, extempore, essay writing, much more to be added for this year 21-22. And similarly, we are going to balance the emotional skills of the child by giving motivational classes regularly on the app. And we are going to give you the complete academic calendar. These are online as well as offline. If online goes till October, then what happens in the offline? So everything is planned well before, and it is going to be sent to you, and we are going to execute it properly with your support. And also weekly timetable will be sent like this to every child and to every parent so that you can track what is happening in the school through online. And very proud to inform you that this is our academic team. Our chairman, Mr. Anthony Reddy Garu, he will be the chairman of our institution, and under him we have the correspondents, we have the principals, we have the vice principals, we have also the coordinators supported by the school excellence managers from lead school. So we are all as a team. We are ready to help you. We are ready to help you at any point of time. Our only motto is to give your child the best quality education. And this is our school profile. Okay, the teacher's profile of various of 3 schools, and this is how India is attending online classes. Now, what will you do as a parent? What role as a parent? We might be investing a lot of money on the fridge or a TV or something like that. It's time for us to make it something meaningful. In order to have a bigger view of the lessons, we recommend you to have a safety device like a tab or a laptop. When you invest in it, it will definitely help your child in learning many things. So don't feel it as a burden from our side. And similarly, the 3 important things as a parent, we are giving you the mobile app, the student parent app, where everything, online classes, homeworks, worksheets can be seen, even books and workbooks. They're going to provide it, and every day the student has to watch the online class, simultaneously has to concentrate on the reading continuously. Child will not be forced to watch the online class, 10 minutes online class, and immediately he has to read the text. So the lesson plan is designed in such a way that the child will not be having much time looking at the screen of the mobile or a laptop or a tab. And similarly, daily checkup will be there in completion of worksheets and also through quizzes. So this is what we are giving. Thank you very much. Please do support us. Ensure that the child is going to have a safe learning.